Hello everyone, it's me from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to record screen in 4K display resolutions for free in an Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. After that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases, just click on it. Now below you will see here one .apk file, so you need to download this .apk file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open. Now click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now it will ask you some permissions. Just click on this while using the app. Click on allow. So now you will see here various options. So the video codec you can see here H.264. So this is the standard video codec. So I'm gonna select the H.265. You can select the AB one also and orientations. So you can keep auto, portrait mode and landscape mode. So I'll just keep it in auto. Below you can see here resolutions. So by native it will take the default screen resolutions format. So I'll select here 4K. You can select depending upon your needs which screen resolution you want to select, and the frame rate. So I'll just keep it in 60 frame rate per second. So you can select up to 120 frame rate per second, and you can see here bitrate. So bitrate, how much bitrate you want to select. So I'll just keep it to 8M, and below you can see here bitrate mode, BBR or CBR, and audio source which you want to select from mic, from system, and or if you want the system as well as the mic, then you can select the last one. And below you can see the audio quality, low, mid or max. So I'll just keep it to the mid, and below is the output template. So once you're done with your settings, you can just click on the start recording. Now just click on this option, click on the share entire screen. So finally the screen recording has been completed. Now you can just minimize it, and now let us check by going to the gallery. And let's check the screen recorded video, its quality. So let me click on the three dot icons. Let me check the details. So now you can see here UHD, that is in the 4K format. So it's working perfectly. So I'm able to record screen in 4K display resolutions, that is completely for free. So it's working perfectly. So by using this cool application, you can easily record screen in 4K display resolution for free in an Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.